Okay, so here's just a little quiet little spot that I think is kind of pretty. We're gonna come across, I don't know, what appears to me to be like a little boat graveyard. It has a bunch of old boats that look like, I don't know if they're being repaired or they're just like nobody wants them anymore. And they're just all over the side here. I even thought maybe they were from the community, that maybe somebody used to work on them and it's just for fun, or they fixed them up. And there's just these little boats. It's a really pretty path to back up. Looks like nobody's there. Nobody was here last time either. It's right behind the library. And you just walk a little further. It's been raining, so it's all like yucky. This one is my favorite one only because I like that green color. But there's a little pathway that goes this way. And supposedly this pathway leads to some rich people's house where they have their own tennis courts. But I've never seen it before. Actually, I've seen tennis courts, but I don't know if it's somebody rich or not. And these don't look like rich houses at all. But it's somewhere along this road, very close. I just never know which way to turn. Haven't figured that one out yet.